Welcome to CyberTechHaus. I am Charles Mokebi, and whether you are starting out in cybersecurity or looking to advance your career, you are in the right place. Today, we'll explore why the CompTIA Security Plus exam is the ideal entry point for anyone interested in cybersecurity. As a certified Security Plus, CISSP, and seasoned professional, I have spent years helping others succeed in the cybersecurity field. In this course, I will guide you through the Security Plus certification journey, breaking down complex topics so you can pass the exam with confidence. Security Plus is a game changer, offering essential skills in defending networks and protecting against cyber threats. By the end of this course, you will not only be prepared for the exam, but also equipped to secure highly sought after positions in cybersecurity. So, subscribe to CyberTechHaus and join me on this journey. Let's unlock your potential together and get you certified. Think about cybersecurity as the locks on your front door. You install them to keep out intruders. But imagine if every day someone invented a new way, break through those locks. That is what is happening in the digital world today. Cybercrime costs are expected to soar as high as 10.5 trillion by 2025, more than the GDP of most countries. The demand for cybersecurity experts is skyrocketing. But here's the catch. 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs remain unfilled. Companies aren't just looking for anyone. They need qualified professionals with the skills to handle today's sophisticated threats. Picture this. You're standing in front of a huge machine with hundreds of buttons and no manual. You know the machine is important, but you don't know where to start. That is how cybersecurity can feel for many people. With so many certifications and career paths, from network security to ethical hacking, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Where do you even begin? The good news is there is a starting point that cuts through the confusion. CompTIA Security Plus. This certification serves as the foundation for everything else in cybersecurity, giving you a clear direction to begin your journey. Imagine you are at a packed stadium. Thousands of people have tickets, just like you, but only a few will get noticed. The cybersecurity job market is the same. It's crowded, with so many aspiring professionals vying for the same jobs. The question is, how do you stand out? It's not enough to simply be interested in cybersecurity. You need the right skills and credentials that make employers take notice. That is where CompTIA Security Plus certification comes in. It gives you the recognized credential that sets you apart and shows employers you are ready to tackle the challenges of today's cybersecurity landscape. Do you remember that question in the previous slide? That how can you stand out? The CompTIA Security Plus certification is the answer. Let's break down the top 5 reasons Security Plus is the ideal choice for aspiring cybersecurity professionals. 1. Global industry recognition. Trusted by top companies and government agencies like Amazon, IBM, and the Department of Defense. 2. Foundation in cybersecurity. The certification teaches you core concepts like network security, cryptography, and risk management. 3. High demand. Many entry-level jobs require Security Plus as a prerequisite. Number 4. No prerequisites. Accessible to beginners with no prior experience needed. Number 5. It will boost your earning potential. Certified professionals earn between $80,000 and $110,000 annually. With these advantages, Security Plus is the perfect first step to a successful cybersecurity career. Now that you know why Security Plus is the best certification to start with, let me show you how CyberTechHaus can help you succeed. We offer detailed video tutorials that break down every section of the Security Plus exam, like a personal coach guiding you through complex topics like cryptography and network security. You can watch at your own pace, revisit tricky concepts, and deepen your understanding. But that is not all. We provide practice exams that simulate the actual Security Plus test, so you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. And with our community support, you will never be alone. You will have a network of fellow learners to ask questions, share tips, and stay motivated. With CyberTechHaus, you will have everything you need to pass the Security Plus exam and start your career. Let's bring everything together. Cyber threats are on the rise. Cybersecurity jobs are in high demand. And companies need professionals with the right credentials. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is your ticket to unlocking a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Now, what is next? You need to take action. If you are serious about a career in cybersecurity, it's time to subscribe to CyberTechHaus. You will get access to all the tools you need: video tutorials, practice exams, and community support. Remember, with the right preparation, passing the Security Plus exam is completely within your reach. It's not just a certification. It's the key to high-paying jobs and in-demand skills. So, subscribe today and let's start building your future in cybersecurity together. See you in the next video.